Okay, this is a message to a specific friend of mine, or former friend, and to anyone else dumb enough to try this. You can't 3D print the parts of a pew pew that make a pew pew go pew pew on a plastic extrusion 3D printer. You cannot produce those parts on an additive uh, extrusion production system. It takes years of training and lots of expensive equipment to be able to produce those parts in a way where they would function. If you do try to make a pew pew out of plastic, it's either not going to do anything or it's going to go kerplooey right in your face. So please, if you're worried about idiots making pew pews on their 3D printers, or if you're dumb enough to try and do it yourself, don't. It doesn't work, and it's going to end up being a self-fixing problem. Stay safe out there, and please, don't be stupid.